My name is Matthew Charlin. I'm a director at l'École de l'Automobile. Please join us in conversation about l'École de l'Automobile.
Hello and bonjour, I'm Alan Dale from Gale Forceman. It's such a pleasure to be here in Montreal at l'École de l'Automobile. I got to tell you, this is a great place to be. Wonderful to be in conversation with people that are truly making a difference. And of course, I'm talking about the folks that work right here with the students and the staff. It's an unbelievable place to be. Everybody is so passionate about what they do. And on that note, why don't you introduce yourself? Tell us what you do here.
Well, my name is Kevin. I work in admissions here at the school. So I have the first contact with the students. So when I receive their application, I'll give them a call, invite them here to the school where we'll take a tour of the garage, show them around, discuss with them their potential, and just show them the environment that they're going to be in.
Kevin, that first impression is so important. In life, a first impression is so important. But when a student is making a big step, like going back to school, this really matters. This is the difference between sort of getting them excited about it or not. Tell me about what your process is. What's your passion for doing that?
Right, well, it's all about getting them in here, getting them to smell the garage, feel the garage. We talk on the phone a little bit about what they're looking to get to do, and a lot of them are just looking to change their lives. They want to pursue something that they're interested in, and that's what we're here to help.
Mm-hmm. What was your journey to this position? Tell me a little bit about that.
Well, it's similar to what we just discussed. I was just pursuing my interests. I had a lot of interest in cars. Before working here, I was a barman, and when I got my license, I was playing around with my car, discovered that I have a lot of interest in that, so I just ended up here naturally, just pursuing my interests.
Right. What kind of car was that?
That was a Lincoln Town car, like the big American V8s.
Big American V8 Lincoln.
That's right.
Forget about it on the license plate, or anyway, forget about that. Anyway, so big car, so you decided that you were gonna pursue this passion. So you came in here, you took the program. Talk to me about your experience with the program.
Wow, well, it started off with automotive detailing.
Okay.
That's the first course that I did here in 2017. Then a few years later, I moved into mechanics. So I really wanted to fix up the cars, play in the engine bay. Like I said, I took the course here while working here too, so it's nice that the courses are part-time, so I could work during the day, take the course at night, and still be able to pursue an education in mechanics while working and
wow,
doing everything.
So clearly they saw something in you right from the get-go because they hired you, and
Right.
you saw something in them because you wanted to work with them.
Exactly, we all worked together in harmony.
Yeah. Talk to me about what it is about this place that makes it so special for you.
Wow. It's a small school, so we're like a big family here. You know, we really all get along. It's a good learning environment too, especially when the classes are a little bit smaller. It can really be one-on-one with the teacher, and it really allowed me to excel quickly and learn. And that's the best part about the school, I think.
So you're the point man for the school. What would you tell somebody right now that's considering a shift in careers, thinking about getting into this sector? What would you tell them?
It might be a little scary at first, but you just have to do it. And once you get into it, it goes by quickly, and next thing you know, you're done.
Yeah. I love that, Kevin, and I love the way you describe, come on in here, smell this place, touch this place, meet some of the people. This may well be the place for you. Thanks, Kevin. Appreciate it.
Well, my pleasure.
Thanks for joining us. For more information, ecolauto.com.